Hello and welcome to the best AWS Certified Solutions Architect Assessment Test. This will test your preparedness to take the actual Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam. This test is for anyone, however he or she has prepared for the exam and they believe now they are ready to take the first try, the actual exam try. The test is a single true mock exam at the exam difficulty level. It has 55 questions in 80 minutes. And you have the ability to mark questions for review, just like the real exam. The pass mark is 80%. One might ask, why 80%? There are some people who pass at 67 or 70%. If you pass this exam, which is at the exam difficulty level, with a score of 80% or higher, you are good to go. You are ready to book your exam and to ace the exam as well. What if you did not? The response I get from users who don't pass the exam at 80% is they start cursing the course or the test in the feedback. This is not the purpose. This is not meant to fail you. This is meant to help you assess where you stand. What is better? Failing a safe environment test that is at the exam difficulty level, which costs you nothing, a fraction of the actual exam cost, not mentioning failing a true exam and both the emotional and the financial consequences for that. So this is meant to help you avoid going through that hardship through the actual exam, and is helping you to find out if there are any gaps so you can fill them and you can go straight to the actual exam and pass it from the first try. So think about it in a positive way, a tool to help you find out where you stand before you find out the hard way, or assures you that you are ready and confirms that you are ready to go. Remember that you have lifetime access to the test and you can do it as many times as you want, but the first try would be the actual assessment of where you stand. If for any reason you did not make it to the 80% and you dropped below 74%, there is a gap that you need to fill before going to the exam. And if you want any advice on that, please get in touch with me on Udemy and I will be able to extend some advice that will help you fill the gaps and be ready for the exam. Good luck.